We are covering recovery cylinders and the critical 80% filled rule, a major topic on your EPA 608 core exam. The single most important rule is that a recovery cylinder must never be filled with liquid refrigerant beyond 80% of its total capacity by weight. This isn't a guideline. It's a strict safety mandate to prevent catastrophic failure. Liquid refrigerant expands as temperature increases. That remaining 20% of space, called headspace, is a safety cushion that allows the liquid to expand without causing extreme pressure buildup, a condition known as hydrostatic pressure, which can rupture the tank. On the exam, you will be tested on how to ensure you comply with this rule. The only way to accurately measure this is by using a scale. You must know the cylinder's tare weight, which is the weight of the empty cylinder and is stamped on its collar as TW. You also need its water capacity, stamped as WC. To find the maximum refrigerant weight, you multiply the water capacity by 0.8. For example, if a cylinder has a WC of 47.7 pounds, the maximum refrigerant you can add is 38.16 pounds. If its tare weight is 29.3 pounds, the total gross weight on your scale should never exceed 67.46 pounds. A very common exam trap is to confuse filling by weight with filling by volume or pressure. The rule is strictly 80% by weight. The pressure inside a cylinder changes with temperature and tells you nothing about how full it is. Another trap involves mixing refrigerants. It is illegal and dangerous to recover different refrigerants into the same cylinder. This cross-contamination can make the refrigerant impossible to reclaim. Remember that standard recovery cylinders are gray with a yellow top and must be hydrostatically tested every 5 years to remain in service. The date of the last test is stamped on the collar. For retention, remember this phrase, 80% by weight, or you'll seal your fate. This links the number directly to the method of measurement and the serious consequence of overfilling. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.